Hey friends, so this is our first chapter, and here we will learn how to adjust image plane in 3D Studio Max. So we have these image planes. I'm gonna put it over here, and you can see that we have aligned them properly. Okay, and we can use them for the modeling purpose. Okay, now just undo this, and we have these files already saved. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is over here in 3D Studio Max, just press Z and G to enable the grid. Okay, so we have this thing. Now over here, go to image and canvas size, and you can see that we have this amount 1200 by 615 in pixels. Okay, so we need to create a plane over here. Okay, like this, and over here you can put 615, and over here place 1200. Okay, so I know it's very big, but we can use this thing, and it's for dimension. Okay, just double check this thing. Yep, it's right. The height is 615 and width is 1200. Okay, same here, 615 and 1200. Okay, now what we can do is we can simply select this thing and press M for the material. This is a standard material. Select one of these. Over here you can find the standard material. This is our 3D Studio Max by default material. Okay, so select this one, and over here we can place a bitmap. So we have this front PSD. Okay, open it, collapse. So if there will be some other layers in the file, they will be collapsed. Okay, now select this one, assign, and show in viewport. Okay, but nothing is visible, but you can see here we have the reference image. Actually there is some issue with my material, so I need to fix this. Press 1 and 1 tile amount. Okay, 1 and 1. Okay, now disable this thing, use real world sketch, but nothing has happened. Okay, now I need to apply a modifier called UVW map, like this, and disable this thing, and now you can see that our tiling has been changed. So what we can do is simply, you can see the dimension, it's correct. Okay, press 1 over here and 1 over here. Now we have mapped it properly. Okay, so we have this image plane. Now what we can do is we can simply select this thing and rotate it. Okay, cancel, enable our rotation snap. Okay, oh sorry, I think this one. Okay, this is our rotation snap. Press shift while rotating, so we will be able to do the copy. Okay, and do the copy, not instant. Okay, so I'm going to place this thing over here like this. Okay, so we have same plane in both sides and we have the same dimension. Okay, you can check in Photoshop also. Over here, see the side, the dimension for the side one or front one. The image canvas size, you can see in pixels is 1200 by 615 for the front viewport, and for the side viewport it's again 1200 by 615. Okay, so you don't need to do anything else. Simply select this thing, drag and drop this material. Okay, over here. Okay, now we can choose a different image over here. So click it and select the second side viewport. I'm sorry, side image plane or reference. Okay, now we can assign it over here. Okay, replace it. Now you can see that we have same image on both image planes. Now I'm going to change the name of this material, because this one is 01 default and this one is also 01 default. We make it 02 or something else like side and whatever you want. Okay, so we have this image plane over here. We have front and the side viewport, sorry, image plane. Okay, now if you want, you can select this plane and we can adjust this thing like this to place it in the center. Okay, and we can simply select them, right click, go to object properties and disable this thing. Now what we can do is we can disable this show frozen in gray. Okay, and now we can simply freeze that. So we have image plane and their freezer. So I think now you can import image plane over here and work. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a good day.